we can see that there will be intermittent pauses in the operation of skimmer. The duration of intermittent operation is set according to the content of suspended solids in the wastewater. The following will show you how to set the intermittent running time of the skimmer. Open the operator panel. Find the KTE logo. Below it is the time relay that controls the operation of the skimmer. As shown in the video, the number in front represents the running time of the skimmer. The number in the back represents the intermittent time. We can set the skimmer intermittently for 30 minutes and run for 10 minutes. Take a look at the actual scraping effect. According to research, intermittent scraping can not only concentrate the scum, but also make the solid content higher, more energy saving, and prolong the service life of the skimmer. The above is the setting of the operating frequency of the skimmer of DAF.